Hi, I just heard from David that you're in the hospital. I was so surprised. What happened?
Hey, thanks for coming. Yeah, it's a bit embarrassing. I got food poisoning.
Food poisoning. That sounds unpleasant. What did you eat?
It was some leftover chicken pasta. I think it had been in my fridge for almost 5 days. I was rushing to work and didn't heat it properly.
5 days is too long for leftovers. You should be more careful with food safety.
I know. It was a stupid mistake. I usually check the dates, but I was too busy this week.
We all make mistakes. The important thing is that you're getting treatment. How are you feeling now?
Better than yesterday, but still weak. My stomach was cramping a lot, and I felt dizzy. They're giving me fluids through and for.
So, what's your current condition? Are the symptoms improving?
The doctor said I'm responding well to the medication. The vomiting has stopped, which is a relief.
That's good news. You look better than I expected. Your color is returning to your face.
Thanks. I still get tired easily, though. The worst part was the fever last night. It was quite high.
Being in the hospital must be boring. Would you like to take a short walk around the corridor?
That sounds nice, actually. I've been staring at these four walls for too long. Some movement would be good.
Let me help you up. We can walk slowly. The nurse said light activity is good for recovery.
Thanks. Just to the end of the hallway and back. I don't want to push myself too much on the first day.
What about your work? Are there any urgent projects that will be affected?
I was worried about the monthly report, but I called my manager this morning. He said not to worry, the team will cover for me.
That's good to hear. Your health comes first. Work can always wait.
I know, but I still feel bad about causing inconvenience. The report was supposed to be finished by Friday.
Actually, everyone at the office sends their regards. They're all thinking of you.
That's so kind. Please thank them for me. Tell them I'll be back soon.
I will. The whole team signed a get well card for you. I left it at the nurse's station.
Thank you. That means a lot. It's nice to know people care when you're sick.
I have to say, you really should be more careful with food storage. Eating 5-day-old leftovers is risky.
I know, it was careless. I was trying to save time and money by not throwing it away.
But your health is more valuable than saving a little money. Food safety is no joke.
You're absolutely right. I've learned my lesson the hard way. No more old leftovers for me.
Remember when we were younger? You could eat anything and never get sick.
Those days are long gone. My stomach isn't as strong as it used to be. Age is catching up with me.
We are not that old yet. But our bodies do change. We need to be more mindful about what we eat.
True. I can't handle street food like I used to either. My digestion isn't what it was in my 20s.
This reminds me of that time in college when you got sick after eating at the street food festival.
Oh, don't remind me. I spent the whole night in the bathroom, but that was different. The food was fresh, I just couldn't handle the spice.
You turned as red as a tomato. But you were back to eating spicy food the very next week.
Well, what can I say? I'm a slow learner when it comes to food. Some habits are hard to break.
At least you've always been optimistic about food. Even after getting sick, you never lost your appetite for long.
That's true. Food is one of life's great pleasures. I just need to be smarter about food safety from now on.
Definitely. Maybe this experience will make you more cautious in the kitchen.
It already has. I'm already thinking about throwing out everything in my fridge when I get home.
The doctor must have given you some dietary advice for your recovery. What did they say?
They recommended bland foods for the first few days. Plain rice, boiled chicken, and bananas. Nothing too heavy or spicy.
That makes sense. You need to give your digestive system time to recover. What about fluids?
Lots of water and electrolyte drinks. They said to avoid coffee and dairy products for now.
When you're feeling better, you should eat more probiotics. Yogurt would be good for your gut health.
That's a good suggestion. I'll add it to my shopping list for when I'm discharged.
And remember to eat smaller meals more frequently. It's easier on your stomach than 3 big meals.
I will. The doctor said the same thing. Small portions every few hours until I'm fully recovered.
Is there anything you need help with while you're here? Anything from your apartment?
Actually, there's one thing I'm worried about. My cat, Mimi. I usually feed her twice a day.
Don't worry about Mimi. I can go to your place and feed her. Just tell me where you keep the food.
Thank you so much. The cat food is in the cabinet above the refrigerator, and her water bowl needs to be refreshed daily.
No problem. I'll take care of everything. Do you want me to check your mail too?
That would be great. And maybe water the plants? I have 3 small pots on the balcony.
Consider it done. I'll make sure everything is taken care of until you're back home.
I really appreciate this. It's one less thing to worry about while I recover.
What are you most looking forward to when you get out of here?
Getting back to work, actually. I never thought I'd say this, but I miss the office and my daily routine.
That's the spirit. But don't rush back. Make sure you're completely recovered first.
I know. The doctor said I need at least 3 more days of rest after I'm discharged.
Any plans for after you recover completely? Besides going back to work, I mean.
I'm thinking about taking cooking classes. I need to learn how to prepare safe, healthy meals for myself.
That's a wonderful idea. Maybe I'll join you. We could learn together.
That would be fun. We could make it our weekend activity once I'm back to full strength.
Remember to follow the doctor's orders carefully. Rest is crucial for your recovery.
I will. They gave me a detailed schedule for medication and follow-up checks.
Make sure you take all the prescribed medicine, even if you start feeling better.
Don't worry, I've set alarms on my phone for each dose. I'm taking this seriously.
And don't try to do too much too soon. Your body needs time to heal properly.
I promise I'll take it easy. No strenuous activities until the doctor gives the green light.
Good. Call me if you need anything at all, even if it's just to talk.
Thanks, I will. It helps knowing I have friends looking out for me.
I should let you get some rest now. You need to conserve your energy for recovery.
Thanks for visiting. It really lifted my spirits to have company.
Get well soon. We're all thinking of you at the office.
Thank everyone for me. I'll be back before they know it.
Don't worry about work or your cat. Everything is under control. Just focus on getting better.
I will. Thanks for everything. See you soon.
See you. I'll check on you tomorrow. Rest well.
Goodbye. Drive safely on your way home.